Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling the console so commands can run. Open Steam, right-click Counter-Strike 2 and pick Properties, then set Launch Options. Type Console in that box and save. This tells the game to load the console at startup. Once done, launch the game, go to Settings, Game, and set Enable Developer Console to Yes. Make sure a key like tilde or F1 is bound. This sequence makes the console available immediately when the map loads, letting you input further commands. Once the console is enabled, press the key you bound to open it. This works at the main menu or in any match. You can enter commands directly. For practice, type Cs2 to enable cheat-restricted commands, then try SV Infinite Ammo 1 or SV Grenade Trajectory 1 to test behaviors. To keep settings permanent, create or edit auto-exec. CFG in the game CFG folder and add your favorite console lines. Make sure to exec auto-exec in the console if needed. This approach saves time and ensures consistent. To finalize, save live tweaks by writing config. Use host write config or add write cug lines to your auto-exec so settings persist. If the console refuses to open, recheck your launch options for typos like missing hyphen and confirm the key bind in settings. Sometimes the key conflicts with language layouts. Also remember, many commands require a local or listen server. If you are on official matchmaking, SV cheats will not work. If problems persist, restart the game after fixing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.